use this one, make sentences, please. Quickly. Use 哪 make sentence. Okay, try. It's a question.
那个猫是你的
Yes. So, there are many cats. So, 哪个猫是你的? Correct. Next.
Also, one mouse, one cat.
If you want to say 那个 or you want to say 哪个?
那个
Now I want to use this one.
Yes.
是哪 This one is which one?
Okay.
If you say 哪个 this one means 哪个是你的 so it means there are many. Yeah, then you say, oh, which one is yours? So 哪个是你的? Okay, next. Shh.
那天你见你的朋友
Correct. Very good. Yes. You already jumped to another level. It's correct. It's correct. Very good. Yes. Next one. Very good. Correct. Which book? Yes. Next one. So again, this 哪个 for example, just very nice sentence. Example. Oops. So 哪个 something. Okay. Here you can say 哪个咖啡，哪个哒哒哒 anything 是你的。Actually, here we omit something. For example, say actually 是哪个咖啡是你的咖啡 right? We omit the nouns because here we talk about usually we just say 哪个咖啡是你的 or 哪个猫是你的 huh? Yes. Understand? And this is a question by accident. It's the beginning. Actually also can be here. Okay, more. Yes, very good. Look, now I talk about you. I say hi. So I say 你要哪个咖啡 Very good. So 你要哪个咖啡 Because then you answer say 我要这个咖啡 Right? Very good. Next. So again, you can see question can be object, can be subject. We don't care because we follow this structure. Yes. Actually, he made a example used for the time. Also is correct because that's another level. So now I not talk about. So when you follow this, it's very easy. Okay, next.
Don't we need to put ma at the end?
No need ma because na is a question word, so no need ma. Okay, next.
你喜欢哪水生?
Yes, correct. Only good. So 你 for example, ask the teacher. So say 老师，你喜欢哪个学生? So you like which student? Yes, correct. So 你喜欢哪个学生? Yeah, very good sentence. Yes.
Naga is
What do you
always
say?
with the many. Or also.
Because
one.
because na means which one. If you use this one means there are more than one,
more
right?
than one.
That's why you ask, say, which one do you like, right? If only one, no need to ask, right?
But Niao Naga cafe, so means that there are many.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes. It's just example, right? For example, this one asks the teacher. Teacher have many students say, 老师 so 你喜欢哪个学生 So which student do you like, right?
他要哪个有？
他要
哪个有？
有 What's 有
fish。
鱼鱼